Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Gorgeousmaya. So I was sent this wig to review by VIVI Baby Hair. Just showing you guys the box. It came with lashes. It does have this brochure card in here that has all their social media handles or WhatsApp, and just a little cute note. This is their Brazilian Kinky curly bob. It is 14 inches. It does have a 13x6 transparent lace. Has a natural hairline. It is 100% human hair, 150% density, and it is pre-plucked. All right, so I did go ahead and bleach the knots. So I just used some 30 volume developer and some extra bleach that I had on hand. I'm just using a plastic spoon to smooth it on there. This lace doesn't match my skin tone that well, but when I bleach the knots, it is going to kind of help it mimic my scalp skin tone or whatever that is. But I'm just smoothing that on there. Nothing special. I know y'all done seen this a million times. Just smooth it on there, not pressing in too much. I did kind of not over bleach, but I did kind of get the bleach on the hair, but it's just an easy fix. You just get some mascara and put it on the parts where the bleach kind of went over the hairs. So yeah, I'm just smoothing it on there, and that's about it. All right, so we are done bleaching the knots. I did go ahead and co-wash the hair as well. I'm just showing you guys how it looked, and the scalp does look a lot better. Yes, I'm looking busted. Don't judge me. This is actually my first time actually doing a 13x6 lace closure, and I think I did pretty good because it was kind of difficult because my hairline is shaped kind of weird. Like the size of my hairline go down further, but then the middle of my forehead is kind of big, so it's like I didn't want to cut off my forehead to make my forehead look smaller, so I wanted my forehead to be the same size. If that makes sense. But I'm just parting the hair. I did want to go ahead and do a side part. Since his hair is shorter, I feel like it would look better as a side part, so I'm just parting that in. So I did go ahead and use foundation to blend in the lace a little bit more. I'm going to go over that with the Got To Be Free spray. And then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it so it can stick and doesn't get all over my hair. Now, I have seen other hair gurus or YouTubers, they cut their lace in 3 strips. So I did want to go ahead and try that method. Like I said, this is my first time doing a full ear-to-ear lace. I usually just do a closure, which is much easier. But this lace wasn't hard to work with. I feel like it melted in with my skin, especially since I bleached the knots and I did go ahead and put a little foundation underneath. I am going to stick it down with the Got To Be glue. Not Got To Be glue, the Got To Be Free spray. I've never tried like ghost spawn glue or anything like that. So I'm kind of scared of that because I don't know how to use it, and I just wanted to use what I knew. So I know how to stick it down with the got to be freeze spray. So that's what I did. And I did about 3 or 4 layers. I didn't show all of them, of course. So this video didn't be super long, but I did do 3 or 4 layers and just blow dried. All right, so here I'm just pressing it down and melting it into that freeze spray, and I'm just using a rat tail comb, pressing it in even with my fingertips. I know a lot of people say don't press it in with the fingertips, but I feel like that actually kind of helps a little bit more for me and it give me any issues. All right, so I'm just go ahead and let y'all watch this video and I'll come back to y'all with my final thoughts. All right, y'all, so we made it to the end. Don't forget to check out VIVI Baby Hair. They are on Amazon. This hair is perfect for summertime and they are very affordable. I'll have all the links in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video.